Alright everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the JJRC Heron. This is a Spark clone. And this is actually looks almost like a clone. Okay, not a knockoff, actually a clone. This thing might be pretty decent. I saw some videos from this YouTuber Simon. He has a good channel. I'm going to put a link down below, so go check him out. He's got quite a few videos on this. Flying around. So I think he's over in Hong Kong. So let's get it out of the box. Now what I'm going to try to do, because I haven't done anything, okay, I'm going to try to get it out of the box, throw the battery in, and get it to take off like the Spark does, okay, without the app and all that other crap, okay. So we're going to try that. If it don't work, it don't work, and then I'll just get it all ready and get it out to the park. Very clean packaging. There is the unit itself. Very nice. It's like identical to the Spark as far as size goes. I mean, the size is identical. I mean, you want to talk about a copy. This is pretty much it right here, okay. Even the ridge right here, so I might be able to clip on those legs that I use for the Spark sometimes. Those might even work on here. Okay, so that's that. And then of course the phone holder. There's the phone holder. Here's the transmitter, which is very nice. It's got its own internal battery, which is a nice thing. You don't have to use it. There's where you charge it right there. There's the charge port for the battery. Then you would clip the phone holder in here somehow. There's not many buttons on here. Return to home, photo, video, probably take off and land, and this M, I don't know what that means, but then you got your gimbal control here. It does have a 2-axis gimbal on it. Here's the battery. And the battery is it's a 1000. Okay, it's a 1000 milliamp hour battery. Now it says on the box 15 minutes flight time, but you know that's not happening. Okay, yeah, that's not happening at all. Here's a USB cable to charge the controller. Then here's the power cable for the transmitter, or for the flight battery. That plugs in here, and the flight battery has that little light thing on there like the Spark does. So it's a super copy. Okay, this ain't a regular copy. This is a super copy. And the way that works is you just snap that in there like that and plug it in, and it turns red. This light here turns red, and then when it's charged it goes out. Or no, it goes green. That's right, it turned green when it was charged. So that's how that rolled. So I'm gonna plug this in here, and we're gonna weigh it up to see how much it weighs compared to the Spark. 254 grams, so it's 4 grams over the limit, so I have to put the FAA number on here. Dang it, I'll put it on the bottom right here, on the bottom of the battery. Yep, 254. And the Spark is at 304. So the Spark has a little bit better quality, but this thing feels nice, guys. I mean, it does. It feels really nice. I'm impressed with it. Has a nice feel to it. This might be a winner by JJRC, which, like I said, I never had a bad JJRC product, ever. Did I ever get a turkey from them? I've had plenty of gobblers, but not one from those guys. And then here's the manual. Oh, maybe I'll look at the controller. Maybe it'll tell me what that number 2. Oh, it says status indicator light. Oh, that'll tell you, I guess, the battery the battery status, I guess. And then that wheel was for pitching the gimbal. Now these antennas, I have no idea if they're fake or real. No clue. And then the app is called Enjoy Fly. But I'm not even going to do that right now. I'm going to try to get it. And there's the QR code on the front of the manual. There's for the App Store and there's for the Google Play Store right there. So they got you all covered. Very simple setup on this. Very easy stuff on this thing. Nothing complicated. Nothing to build. Nothing to put together. Just charge the battery, slap it in, and go. I'm going to try to start it up right in here without calibrating it or doing any of that crap, which I did not do any of that stuff yet because I just actually downloaded the app 2 minutes ago before I started recording the video. So let's make sure that's in. If it doesn't have the same trouble the Spark originally did with that battery popping out of there. Wow. Okay, so that's turned on. Now when you charge the transmitter, these lights will flash on here until it's charged. They'll be red. Well, let me sit here and see if I can get the motors to arm up. Oh, it's the gimbal whistling. Oh, it's wanting me to do some kind of calibration. I can see by those lights flashing like that. Nope. Oh well, no big deal. I'll get it going. Oh well. I guess I'll have to go through the app and calibrate it and do all that mumbo jumbo to get it to work. So maybe after that, listen to that gimbal squealing. Alright, no big deal, guys. I'll get it going. There's something in the back. There's a little door back here. Okay, there it is. There's the micro SD card slot there, and then there's the micro USB port to probably retrieve the files if you didn't want to take the card out. So that's cool. It's in the same spot as the Spark. I should have known, right? I'm an idiot. Okay. I'm a moron. Yeah, you dumb shit. All right, there you go, guys. The JJRC Heron. Let me go get it all configured and calibrated and get the app going, and then we'll get it outside. It rained. I wanted to take the Xeno back out today to that big park, but of course it rained the first decent day, and now I'm going to be stuck going to the little park that has where I don't have to stand in the mud. So, because the park will be all muddy now. And I'm not feeling it, man. I'm not feeling like standing in that mud to make a video. Okay, I'm not feeling it today. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. All right, guys. Once you get this thing paired, which is a royal pain in the ass, okay? Okay, the instructions are really, okay, it's these Chinamen, man. I'm telling you, the way they word stuff and the way they do stuff. If you can't get this thing to pair, what I had to do is I had to go online and do a search for that Seafly Dream, which is the same thing. They're who made it, and they explain to you how to pair it because you can't find any. Because this thing in here, it says pair with RC. Don't pay any attention to that. That's the hogwash. None of that works in there, okay? Don't do any of that. What you need is those numbers. I'm going to go up here to my computer screen. So I went to the Seafly website, and then it shows you on here what you need are these numbers right here that are on the back of the, or on the Wi-Fi. Because this is one of these deals like these this newfangled stuff they've been doing where you've been connecting the Wi-Fi to the controller instead of the quadcopter, and that's the way this is. And the same thing is done with the egg over here. That does that, and so does that JME drone. It's a little bit confusing and it can get you a little bit screwed up, but that's what you got to do. You just have to remember these numbers here that are on the Wi-Fi numbers. Because this thing here, it says in here how to do it. It's total BS. Okay, it doesn't work. You have to remember these numbers because in the app it's going to say enter the last 5 digits of the remote controller, and which are on the back. They're right there. Right there, you see it right there, that EO. But I don't know if anybody else's, if it's going to be the same number or not. But that's the same number that's on the Wi-Fi number right there. Boy, what a pain. But anyway, so to put it into the, to be able to start it in the house like the Spark, if you wanted to take it off, all you have to do is do the old you have to hit this mode switch right here. And that'll beep, and then all you got to do is pull the sticks down and out to arm the motors. So there it is. I'm not going to take it off right here because I've got my cat here and the bird, and I don't want to fucking chop them in half. So, but anyway, so that's how you do it. And then to disarm the motor, you just pull straight down on the stick. Whew. It took me like an hour and a half to get this. Okay, I mean, after I did that unboxing, I was like, holy crap. Wow. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Yeah, don't hit me. It's very jerky.